Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about Pompe's disease. In the Pompe's disease, we will learn about it in biochemistry clearly, but classic infantile form of Pompe's disease presents with cardiomyopathy and conduction disorders. Okay, this also presents with muscular hypotonia. This also presents with muscular hypotonia or floppy baby syndrome, and it presents with macroglossia and also organomegaly. So this is about the Pompe's disease. Thank you for watching.